We will guide you through how to connect Mailchimp to Google Sheets using Zapier. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Type Google Chrome, then open the Google Chrome browser on your device. Input Zapier and press Enter. Select the official website for Zapier. Verify that you're already signed into your Zapier account. Hover your cursor to the left side of the interface and tap Create. Choose Zap Workflows to open the workflow editor. Click the trigger to begin setting up the event that starts your automation. Type Mailchimp into the search field and select the Mailchimp app from the results. Select your preferred trigger event, then tap Sign In if you have not connected your Mailchimp account yet. Tap Continue and hit Test Trigger to check that Zapier can retrieve sample information from Mailchimp. After the test is successful, tap Continue, then select Google Sheets as the destination app for the action block. Choose your preferred action event. Connect your Google Sheets account if necessary, and tap Continue. Select the spreadsheet where you want Zapier to add the Mailchimp information, then enter the title for the data you want to create. Review the selected spreadsheet and title carefully to ensure the destination is correct. Hit Continue to proceed with the action setup. Select Test Step to send sample data to Google Sheets and confirm that the action works correctly. Check the spreadsheet afterward to make sure the expected information has been added successfully. If the test produces the correct result, return to the Zap editor and click Publish to activate the workflow. Your Mailchimp and Google Sheets connection is now complete.